Daripada broadcast kita beralih kepada multicast. Yang kata macam kita punya WhatsApp group kita kan. WhatsApp group tu kita tak add semua orang dalam group kan. Kita tidak broadcast semua. Kita select some people akan dapat satu mesej daripada kita. So, kita tak payah mesej seorang-seorang, tak payah PM seorang-seorang kan. So the multicast datagram server and client utilize a UDP connection to communicate the date and time information from the multicast server to the client. As in the case of the broadcast server, because communication is multicast, there is no physical connection between the client and server. So the client is only required to subscribe to the multicast address and port in order to receive the multicast datagram. So the server may send multicast datagram without any real configuration. So the client must configure itself for membership within the multicast group in order to receive the multicast datagram. So bila kita nak configure pakai set op sekarang kat mana? Dekat client ke dekat server? Cuba teka. Kat server. Tadi kat server. Kan kita dekat client pula kan. Cuba teka. Betul tak? Okay, so next. Kan? Bukan satu set op dekat client, dua. Kan, dua kita perlukan. Kat server ada apa? Soket saja, bind pun tak ada. Kan? Bind pun tak ada. Semua pindah dekat client. So client lah configure itself. Kan? Configure itself. So the data flow that the diagram illustrating the socket API call for the multicast client and server is shown in figure 4. Right? So client server ada sebelah dekat server dulu. Server tak ada apa? Soket saja. Sebelah client ada soket dan set op. And then bind dan set op sekali lagi. Dan sebenarnya dia dah configure itself sebagai multicast. So server hanya hantar je lah. Dia tidak hantar kepada semua. Hanya pada yang bind. Before dia close. Okay. So the server begins by creating a socket and associated name structure that is used to direct the datagrams. So the client is a bit more complicated. After the client socket is created, the socket underscore reuse address socket option is used to allow the client to bind the multicast address and port number without the potential port in use error. So dekat set op pertama kita letak socket underscore reuse address kan. Oh sebab dia untuk allow. Bukan dekat socket option. Dekat option kita boleh letak terus letak dekat set op. Alright, so the name information is then bound to the socket multicast group address and port. And then finally the multicast client must join the multicast group in order to receive multicast datagram. Then dia perlukan set op yang kedua. Okay, so dalam set op yang kedua akan ada satu lagi option, nama dia IP underscore address membership. Yang bawah ni kan. So this is done using the IP underscore address underscore membership socket option referring the multicast group address. So the server send the date and time information to the client using the send to API function. So in order to direct the datagram to the multicast group, the predefined group address and port number are specified within the send to call. So receiving the multicast datagram is provided by the receive from API function at the client.